Do whatever you can to save up $100,000 by age 40. From then on, you can let off the gas, according to Charlie Munger. He didn't set an age, but we're going to go ahead and run some numbers because that's what we do on this channel. We set up spreadsheets to help you know your numbers. We're going to set up a spreadsheet and look at somebody that has that 100,000 by age 40. This is the one we like to use. We got somebody that's 40 years old, able to save up $100,000. What we do on this channel is use the returns for the S&P 500 for the last 100 years, and we simply project ahead what similar returns might do for you in the future. So let's go ahead and look at these numbers, folks. From age 40 to age 67, which is full retirement, Social Security age, that'd be 27 years. And even in the worst case scenario, using numbers from 1929, the Depression type returns, you'd have 842,000. Second worst is 1927 numbers, you'd have 848,000. And 90% of the time over the last 100 years, you have over $1 million just having this 100,000, never adding another dime. What we like to do in this spreadsheet is show you some of the numbers you might be working with. Let's say, for example, you need $6,000 a month for living expenses and today's expenses, and say you're getting $2,000 a month from Social Security. This shows what age you'd be running out of money in the worst case scenarios. In the worst case scenario, you'd be running out of money at age 77 using 1929 numbers. The second worst, you'd be running out of money at 81. And 90% of the time, or actually 10% of the time, you'd be running out of money at age 98 or less. But 90% of the time, you make it to age 98. Now, what have we not taken into account? Remember what Charlie Munger said, then from then on you can let off the gas. But what happens if we just add a little bit? Watch how these numbers change. Again, this is the row we're looking at here. What age you actually run out of money. Worst case scenario, last 100 years. Second worst, and 90% of the time, your money would last till at least age 98. Watch what happens if we just add $300 a month. Now all of a sudden that lasts in every case except for the worst case scenario, and even then it lasts till age 98. What happens if we increase that by 3% a year? In other words, $300 a month going down through, and we're going to just increase it by 3% a year. Now it lasts in every scenario. This is taken at age 67. Just to show you some of the things we do on this channel. What if we take it at age 66? Still it lasts. How about age 65? Now it's starting to run out. Again, this is the worst case scenario. Your money would last to age 93, second worst to 103, but still 90% of the time your money's not running out. Taking it at age 65, which would be 25 years from now. Hopefully you see how important this $100,000 is. You don't have to add that much to it if you can get to this 100,000. Can you imagine if you got to it at age 35? Let's go ahead and clear these numbers out. This one also. I haven't done this ahead of time. We're going to do this at age 35. Again, Charlie Munger didn't specify. He just said do whatever you can to get there as quick as you can. So let's go ahead and do 100,000. Let's go ahead and stick with the 6,000 a month. And we inflate that for the next 30 years from 35 to 65. That's 6,000. You're going to need 14,000. That kind of shows you how this spreadsheet works. I want you to notice in that case scenario, your money's lasting until age 78 if you don't add another dime, and that's the worst case scenario. Second worst, you run out of money at age 80, but 90% of the time your money lasts. That's without adding another dime. Let's go ahead and add to $300 a month and watch what all the money lasts. That's going at age 65. How about age 64? Still lasts 63. Looks like it lasts except the worst case scenario. How about age 62? So again, you can see how important that $100,000 is. You don't have to do much more if you can get that $100,000 initially, and then just maybe add $300 a month. Let's go and increase that by 3% a year, just to show you how these numbers can change. Now your money lasts in every scenario except the worst case scenario, and even then your money lasts till age 97. See how important that 100,000 is? The earlier you can get there, the more you can let your foot off the gas. But folks, that's what we do on this channel. We love to set up spreadsheets, run numbers for people to help you know your numbers. Please consider subscribing to this channel. Let people know about this channel. Let them know there's a channel out there that run numbers and point out different concepts that you really need to be aware of, and the importance especially of trying to get as much in as early as you can so you can let the compounding effect work for you. Again, please subscribe, please share, please like the video, and thanks so much for watching.